guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are at East Sunland Station, and in this vlog we're going to show you the countryside of Shanghai. Di ba, Bibi? Lag na po ni Bibi. Lagan. We're now at the outskirts of Shanghai, so I expect this place to be chill. Here ilang battery ka electric na eh. Chill ay. Ikan kay bike eh. Naninot po ng ilang trees eh. So we're going to wait for Jaren here. Looks really old. 1300s, right? Yeah, it should be 1300s. Qing. Ming Qing. Ming Dynasty. So it's around 1300s. So we're going to cross that bridge. That tall bridge. Bless you. So this one is old? The stone is old. Okay. This is the old bridge. Because you can see the steps are huge. Normally bridges, old bridges have long steps. This one is old. This one is new. But still, it's cool. Go. Oh, it's drawing. Look. Nice. And another one there, making a drawing. They're drawing that view. Yeah, which is cool. Really cool view.
Work.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the light.
So there are lots of people here that are drawing. Okay. But that one is not old.
That's thick.
That's new products.
Yeah. That's old.
But still, it's nice. Oh, they have here some drawing classes, I think. You should try. Yeah. Yeah. They're drawing that view. That view. And they're using oil. Very cool. Oh, this is what you have.
Yeah. Same. Have you eaten before?
No. Paano ito? Beso nun niya?
Very sweeter? Yes.
Wow. like a sugar cane. What are you buying?
Hải Phong cơ.
Mooncake.
Hải Phong thịt.
Huh?
Hải Phong thịt.
Hi.
Very famous.
Okay. Wow. Oops. Ui. Warm. Oh, hot. Hot day. Palit niya ni guys. It's 4.5 RMB. And this one was made in that. That is the molder to make this. We're going to try another food in this place. It's that one. Mga tortilawan. So it's still hot. That's why I'm not going to eat it yet. But it's made of radish and flour. Cost 4 RMB. Sus guys, gabihaw. Chicharon pa imo. No, chicharon pa imo. Kadako ang chicharon eh. Gabiha, kadako ang chicharon na. That one is quite old. We're still in this food alley. As you can see, there are a lot of food. From barbecue to sugarcane juice to crackers and pork ribs. What else is here? A lot of food. What's that? Huh? What's the name?
海参果。
海参果。
切开了用吸管吸的喝的。
This one is a lotus. Dates. Dogs. Oh, this is a wine shop. That's a wine shop. This one is Shomai. We go to the farm? Yeah. This is the countryside of Shanghai.
Right.
So we are here to get some tubu.
How do you know that it's okay?
Tomada. It's a finger cut to the.
This is black. It's okay.
Okay.
Not black, not okay.
Yeah.
You will know that it's good for harvesting. When that one is black. This one is good.
路边是不啦？
currently at a farm here at the countryside. Mga beans. Yan na guys, nga ako namig tubo.
Oh yes, yeah, yes. Small, it's small. But this baby.
Radish. And there's eggplant. Yan na guys. Na tayo harvest. Kan diri nga farm. This is from this farm. We have beans here. Oh, yeah. Mga gulay. Yep. We are now at the Jinhai Lake because Jerry and here will fly the drone. Wow! It looks like a grass, but the color is pink. Wow! Indot eh? They call it cotton root. English name is grass.
Grass. Really?
I don't know really, but I think it's a grass, but pink color grass. It's very beautiful. Natural color, pink.
Chinese name is Shanghai.
Fundai. Fundai.
Fern means pink.
Ah, Fundai. Pink grass. It's really pink, guys. No kidding, it's really pink. That's the drone. It's going to fly it here. Awesome. Awesome place. Finally, I was able to fly my drone after more than 2 years inside the box.